All right, you'll be using your machine with Celeste's recipe, and you have all the main ingredients here. As you can see, the recipe clearly lists the exact quantities for each ingredient. For instance, it mentions the chicken and noodles. We've already prepared the required amounts, so all we need to do now is start cooking. Once you press the start button, the machine will automatically add the oil and heat it up. You'll see step-by-step instructions on the side showing the time needed for each phase. It will display the temperature and countdown for each step. Whoever is handling the machine just needs to add the ingredients. There's no need for much involvement, as the machine will guide them through each step.
Robots like these are a game changer, especially during labor shortages. They allow your business to operate smoothly even when staff is limited. Want to learn more about how ToDo Robotics can help you bring this innovative technology to your kitchen? Contact us today and discover how our robotics automation solutions demo and leasing package can revolutionize your food service operations.